Hey, what's up, Playboy? So, I wanted to make this quick video because I just got off of a mentorship call a couple of hours ago, and my student who I'm working with right now, something that we identified, I have my mentorship students send me audio infield, so I'll have them record and then send them to me for me to break down and listen to. And I realized right away when I was listening to him, I said, I can hear in these infields that you're not smiling. I could hear it in his voice. And he goes, oh yeah, I don't smile. And I said, and even like when you talk to me, there's not much of a rise. There's not much of like a positive sort of tonality. Everything is like very sort of low, very, it's very grounded, but it's very kind of like down, just never really that much enthusiasm. And so this is something that I had to make a video about because I've seen this on boot camps as well. I've seen this time and time again where you guys, you're nervous, you have too much going on in your head. I gotta get good at this game thing. I gotta get my approaches in. I wanna get laid. How do I get laid? It's frantic neuroticism. Instead of just having a very positive outward energy, being the sun, radiating light and warmth around you. It is one of the scientifically most proven ways to make a better first impression is to be smiling when you meet somebody. If you meet me for the first time, hey, how's it going, man? Hey, how are you? Yeah, good to meet you. Right now, you might just be like, oh, it's okay, it's just Aaron. But primally, subconsciously, if I'm a little too serious, it's a little like off-putting. It's kind of like, oh, he's serious? What am I being serious? Hey, what's up, man? Hey, how's it going? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. It's like, light, fun, energy, positivity. So when you're going up to girls and you're approaching, even if let's say you're using a directional opener in the middle of the daytime, asking a girl for directions instead of, excuse me, do you know if there's a Starbucks over here? Hey, excuse me. Hey, sorry to bother you. Do you know if there's supposed to be a coffee shop around here? Just the positivity, right? Especially a night game. Let's say you're a night game and you're out at the club, you're out at the bar, and you're going direct to talk to some girl. You want to go tell her because you think she's fucking hot. So now you want to go tell her that. Hey, what's up? Hey, I thought you were really hot. I had to come say hey. Yeah, that can be alpha. But it kind of takes like a very like naturally alpha dude to sort of like pull that off, right? But if you go up, hey, what's up? Hey, how's it going? Hey, how are you? Honestly, I just thought you were fucking cute. I had to come say what's up, especially with music and everything going on. And you got to think about the way that most guys are approaching women that don't know game. They're very serious. Everything feels so serious. If you can be lighthearted, if you can be positive, radiating that warmth, that energy, that positivity, I promise you, not only in your dating, not only in your cold approaches, but just in your life in general, things will get better to you. This is the law of attraction. The universe will give back to you what you are radiating out to the universe. If I walk through life head down, very serious, very quiet, I'm not gonna get the best life circumstances. If I walk around open, vulnerable, expansion, ready to receive life's offerings, smiling, being happy, then all of those things are gonna come to me. So just wanted to make this quick vid because if one of my students is struggling with it, then I'm sure there's plenty of others that are as well. I've seen this time and time again. You must actively and consciously tell yourself, because the first step to healing anything is having consciousness around it. So you might have to consciously tell yourself when you're out in the field. You might have to write it on your hand. Smile more. Hey, what's up? Hey, excuse me. I just thought you were really cute. I had to come say hey. Hey, hey, what's up? I just thought you were really cute. I had to come say hey. Oftentimes being quiet and serious is a sign of shyness, and it's also a sign that you're up to no good. It's like a criminal. A criminal's not gonna be like, hey, what's up, man? Hey, you want some cocaine? You don't see that in the movies. A criminal's like, hey, what's up, bro? Hey, yo, I got good Molly, good coke. I got good coke. You want coke? It's like you're up to no good. What are you hiding for? What are you living in contraction for? So if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can head over to evolutiondaily.com/mentorship. I'll include a link down below. I'm accepting new clients right now. I just had like a pretty full stack of students, but a few of them just finished up the mentorship program. So if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, you can just head over to evolutiondaily.com. There's like a coaching tab, there's a mentorship tab, so either of those will do, and you can start working with me one-on-one. And basically we do 5 live coaching calls, you and me, one-on-one. We keep correspondence during the week so I can help you to really get on track, getting out there, talking to more women, stacking the top of that lead funnel. I help you build out your online dating profiles, as well as help you navigate night game, navigate day game, get more numbers, get more leads, get more numbers, get more dates, have more sex, have more girls in your life. So you can sign up for all that over at evolutiondaily.com. See you guys soon.